Alright, once you have your photos all edited, you're going to put them into a contact sheet, and that's how you're going to hand it in. This is what a contact sheet looks like. It's just basically a way that Photoshop can arrange your photos for you so that they're all evenly spaced and placed on a piece of paper to look at with their titles under them too. So if you go into your handout folder, week 2, there's a folder that says Contact Sheet Practice. So go ahead and click on that. You can highlight all of these at once simply by clicking on the first picture, holding the Shift key, clicking on the last picture. They'll all be highlighted. Right-click and go to Open. And they should all come open in Photoshop. So this is just practice to make a contact sheet. So you can practice with these photos too, and then when you are ready with your own photos, you'll be able to make them into a contact sheet. So I have my 6 photos open in Photoshop and nothing else. And that's the way it has to be for this first way I'm going to show you. You go under File, Automate, Contact Sheet 2. So you click that. Here's where you have your settings. You can use files, and you're going to browse and you'd pick each file individually. You can use folder. So if you have all 6 of your contact sheet photos in one folder, then you just go ahead and find where you saved that folder and choose that. Or if you have all of them open like I do now, you can choose Open Documents. For your document size, you could leave it 8 by 10 or go 8.5 by 11 for a normal sheet of paper. But you want somewhere around that size. So do 8.5 by 11. It should be 300 pixels per inch. RGB color is fine. All this should be alright. Thumbnails, columns, that's how many across. We just want 2. And 3 is how many down we'll have, or rows is how many down we'll have 3. Because we only have 6 photos, so we want it to fill the space. So I always need to edit that when you're making your contact sheet. And once I got that all done, then I go ahead and push OK. And this is the part where Photoshop does the work for me, and it puts all my photos into a contact sheet along with the title of the photo. So you want to make sure that you give each photo a title and save it after you edit it so that you can make your contact sheet like this. So that's practice for your contact sheet. Go ahead and practice with these photos, and then when you're done editing your own photos, you'll make them into a contact sheet just like this.